Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to write 10 lines essay on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Nandiyan city of Gujarat. He served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India and also as the first Home Minister of India. He joined the country's freedom struggle and actively took part in the non-cooperation as well as the Quit India movement. He was awarded honorary doctorates by various universities, and the title Sardar, meaning a chief leader, was bestowed upon him by Mahatma Gandhi. He is known for spreading integrity and for the efforts in maintaining peace in the entire nation. His birth anniversary is observed as the National Unity Day each year since 2014 as a token of respect. His uncompromising efforts towards integration of the princely states to Indian Federation earned him the title Iron Man of India. He established the All India Services System such as Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, and Indian Forest Service. He died after suffering a massive cardiac arrest on 15 December 1950 in Bombay at the age of 75. The Government of India had inaugurated the Statue of Unity on this day in 2018 to pay homage to Vallabhbhai Patel. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.